Hello ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, arionferguson here. Today I'm gonna teach you how to clean a fish. A very basic, simple way to do this. You can do it just about on any type of fish. So I hope this helps you out with any type of fish gutting problems you may have. Here's the fish we're going to be gutting today. Just a pretty much standard largemouth bass. Alright, here we are with our bass. There's a few things you can do. Some people do it way out here, but you need to go right near under those gills right here. Get a good slice on this. Make sure not to cut yourself. Start removing the guts now.
Yeah, it works.
Then you take your knife and put it up right the fish's rear. Slide that right out so you can get all those guts out pretty well. No, it's eggs and stuff. Good fish bait as well. There's a lot of little blood clots down in here. After you got all those guts cleaned out, you are already near to being finished. You can get the rest of that out right there. But then you want to start taking off your scales. You can chop off the tail if you want, or the fins. It's up to you. It's time to skin these scales off. This would be real fast. A really good easy method is to hammer it right there in the tail, but I don't have time for that. I don't even know where a board is or hammers or anything. So let's just get these scales off. This is the best way for your fish not to slip away while you're skinning.